Hi friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today with me I have Seema Bhatnagar. Seema Bhatnagar is a Regional Business Director South Asia at the Nextco company which has released a slew of products under the Avita brand. This includes IoT products as well as laptops. So let's hear what she has to say to us. So the first thing that I want to talk about is how Avita as a brand is more youth centric and it's released a lot of gadgets that are mainly for the youth. So can you discuss more in detail about the laptops and what makes them stand out from the crowd?
Yeah. So, yes, Avita is a youth-centric brand, and if you see all the models that we have in the market, are actually goes with the youngsters. We have, 14 colors. We have 8 patterns, and the colors are very bright. Goes with today's, youngsters, and also the second thing is that we have launched the laptops, a few of them at least, which are very pocket friendly and you can afford it. You can afford it such pocket friendly laptops with such good specifications, and they are able to work for their college or for their school. And that starts from some we have a made in India laptop. We do have made in China laptop as well, which is essential. And these are doing pretty well because they are pocket friendly, because they are with vibrant colors which no other brand has, and also because it has got the best of the specification that they can get in the market.
Yeah, that's nice. So I believe that the Avita Status Ultimus is one of the latest laptops that you guys have released. So what makes
Yes.
this particular laptop different from the others?
Yeah. So one, the first basic difference is that it is made in India. This also comes in 6 colors. Now, this has got a full HD screen. Also, this has got a better sound and a better camera. Because now, with online classes going on, those are two things which are very important for the youth. Also, when we launched this laptop, to make sure that it reached to each and every deserving student, we have some financial scheme. We also have ADP warranty that we want to give on this laptop, so that, just in case something happens, as in physical damage, then that is covered under insurance. So this laptop is available across channel, online and offline as well. It comes with 1 year warranty, and so far I think we have very good feedback.
So, what would you say is one of the major USP of Avita?
See, first thing, Avita is not, we don't manufacture laptop. It's a lifestyle thing that we manufacture, right? So laptop, before Avita, you can see, the whole market was black and silver. So we came here with the colors. So that is one very important USP that we have. Second is that because we are targeting youth, so we understand what today's youth requires. So those are two USP that we carry here. Actually, we created this market when we launched these laptops. Almost all the laptops were with HDD. So the concept of slim and thin, and less weight, and the colors and SSD is what we created in the market. Why you need HDD if you have SSD? Why you need
Hmm.
such huge laptops when you can, do the same work at a better speed with an SSD in a laptop which is very sleek, which is very thin, and it comes into thin and light segments. So that is the thing that we have created, and that was our USP when we launched. That is still our USP. So if you see this new laptop Ultimus that we have launched, it's only 1.3 kg, very sleek, very slim, with a very good sound and with a very good, the panel that we use for full HD panel or the IPS panel. And these are the things which makes us very different from the competition. You can pick up any of the laptops in the market and compare. It is beyond comparison at this price point.
So, since you mentioned price here, so I believe that Avita is offering a very much affordable products. So, how does the brand manage to make such affordable devices without compromising on the quality?
So we have our own factory. Our parent company is Alco Holdings Limited. We have our factory in China, and that is where we are manufacturing this. Now, with a very good relationship with Intel and AMD, we are able to actually manage a price which is very, very attractive in the market. Also, having our own factory we are cutting down on one layer and manufacturing this, and we are not keeping that benefit to the company. We are actually passing it to the end customer. When it comes to quality, yes, we are maintaining that quality. We have our R&D center in Taiwan. It's a huge one, and also our QC processes are very, very stringent. So, a very stringent QC that we have our own factory. So we have very strict QC processes, and we make sure that nothing which is beyond quality should get into the market.
Yeah. So when we talk about laptops in the Indian market right now, we hear a lot of other brands like we have Dell, HP, Asus, and so on, other brands. So how does Avita survive in such cutthroat market competition?
See, again, so each brand has a different, I would say, objective. Now, for us, it was totally different when we launched. We came all together with the new machine, which was colorful, which was SSD, which comes into thinner line segment, and that was completely different from what at that time the competitors were actually offering in the market. So that makes us very different from the other brands. Now, I'm not sure about on the pricing how they handle and how we handle. So no comments. But as I told you, we have our own factory, so with the price that we give in the market is definitely manageable. During the COVID lockdown, when most of the brands were suffering for the shortages, we were we also suffered shortages, yes, because that was because of spare parts. But actually, we were much better than other brands because we have our own factory, because we have our own raw material, most of it, and we are able to manufacture. So, our also our very good terms or relationship with online partners and our extensive, distribution plans, we are able to compete with the competition pretty well in this region.
You earlier mentioned that Avita is more of a lifestyle brand, right? So I was just checking the website, and you are now going to offer smart lighting solutions and a couple of new accessories like mouse. So can
Yes.
you elaborate a little more about the new products that you're going to offer?
Right. So 2 years back, 3 years back, actually launched laptop, and now we are doing product expansion as well. We are already selling laptop bags and laptop sleeves in the market. Next edition, next week that we are doing is Avita Smart Lights, which is IoT, and this will be available in market. Actually, already available in market. So launch will be done next week. So these
Mhm.
lights definitely again are made in India. That is one. So we are trying to give it back to the country, generating more of jobs, helping the economy to grow, because we are not selling these products, including laptop, not only in India, but we are exporting as well. We have all the plans to export, like this Ultimus laptop. We will be exporting it to Dubai, Nepal, Bangladesh, and other countries. Similarly, for lights, we'll be launching next week. We have smart lights, which is an energy saver. We also have smart bulb. Now, in India, C&D class city, we have electricity issue. Now, even if you have an electricity issue, this bulb can give you, backup light for 5 to 6 hours, which is a very good thing, which is really useful when you talk about villages or COD class city, and it comes at a very cheap price again. So those are the new products that we are trying. Not only this, we will be launching our tablets also sometime in the month of June. You will see a very high end tablet, very sleek, and with best of the specifications that nobody is able to as of now launch in the market.
So I also have
Yeah.
another business question for you. So could you share the number of units that Avita has sold over the last fiscal year, and a little bit about the revenue earned by the company?
Okay, units is 200, around 200K is what we sold. There were acute shortages, as you know, in the market. The plants were really big, so we sold around 200K laptops in the market. That includes Avita and Vaio both. This year, our target is to sell around 500K units, and hopefully, as of now, so far so good. I am sure that the target that we have taken, which if we sell those kind of numbers, we'll be having around 14 to 50% of market share, and it looks achievable to us.
So how do
Yep.
you feel about leading a tech company in an industry that's mainly male dominated? So what are your new approaches, and how do you feel about leading such a nice tech company in India?
Mm. Yeah. So, anyways, all the bosses, all the seniors I have ever worked with are all male. or men. I've learned a lot from them, and
Mm.
not just tech space, but majority of powerful spaces are governed by men only. To be where I am today took an incredible amount of hard work and passion. However, it should not be like that for any other woman who wants to see herself where I am today. For that, we need an equilibrium between the gender in the industry, so that equality is very important. And
Mhm.
also, even in my own organization, though I try to manage and get as much as female staff or girl staff, and try to retain them, and give them a good position, which is also good for the company. Because personally, I believe women are much better when it comes to any kind of job or work to be done at home or at office. So
Yes.
that is why, from HR point of view, we try to give a lot of facilities, additional facilities, and try to encourage and empower the women leadership.
Mhm. Yeah, that's nice. So, what new products can we expect from Avita this year? New
Smart
products.
light, yeah. So tab, we will have four models. It will be out sometime in June. Then we have more laptops coming in. Also we are planning to launch one gaming laptop sometime during the Diwali. Then we have these IoT devices, which we starting with the smart lights and also emergency bulb. Towards Diwali, we also plan to launch LED TVs in India.
So that was our interaction with Seema Bhatnagar. As you can see, you can expect a couple of new products coming in from Avita brand. This includes a new tab as well as several other IoT devices. Stay tuned for more such videos at Gizbot. Thank you.